Good morning, student. Today we will see the condition warranties in Sales of Goods Act 1930. This is very small part of Sales of Goods Act, but very much important part as you know, in a Sales of Goods Act, as a buyer, all of you may be many times. It may happen that you are not a seller but you are a buyer, and when you buy something you get the some warranties of the product or condition of the products. Okay, so we will see the what is the conditions and what are the warranties, what is the difference between condition and warranties. Okay, वॅरंटी आहे वॅरंटी पिरियडमध्ये आहे. हे जे शब्द आपण सारखे कानावर वी यूज टू हिअर दिस वर्ड कि this product is having the 2 years warranty or 1 year warranty. Okay, so and we have certain conditions also doing the sale and agreement to sale. So we will see in detail what is a sale, what is a condition and warranties. So, a condition is, as you know, it is a kind of a stipulation. It is a kind of a statements, okay, which a seller is giving. Seller कुछ ना कुछ stipulation देता है, which is essential for the main purpose of a contract. For the main purpose of a contract, that stipulation is important. Some statements are important, so condition is a stipulation essential for the main purpose of a contract. So if that stipulation is somewhere miss, somewhere अगर वो stipulation पूरे नहीं है या वो statements जो दिए हैं सेलर ने अगर वो फुलफिल नहीं है या ठीक नहीं है, तो उसमें क्या है, वी हैव अ राइट टू कैंसिल द कॉन्ट्रैक्ट. जो प्रोडक्ट के बारे में, जो गुड्स के बारे में स्टिपुलेशन किए हैं, जो स्टेटमेंट्स दिए हैं, अगर उसमें कुछ इफ एज अ बायर इफ वी डोंट डिडंट satisfied with that stipulation, we have a right to cancel. Repudiate means we have a right to repudiate the contract, as well as if we give some money in advance, or due to the we have some mental stress because of that deal, so we can claim the damages also under section 12 clause 2. Okay, so we can understand with the help of the following example. It is very easy to understand by the example. Here X wants to purchase a car from Y, which can have a mileage of a 20 kilometer per liter. Okay, सो ये क्या है कि 20 किलोमीटर पर लीटर कार का माइलेज है. ये क्या है, इट इज़ अ स्टिपुलेशन, इट इज़ अ claiming, he is claiming that the car's mileage is 20 kilometer per liter. But what happened, why pointing at there are many cars, if we can imagine. Okay, or why pointing at a particular vehicle and says that this car will suit you. Okay, this car will suit you, this car is perfect for you. Later X, what X buys the car, but find out that the average is not that much. The find out later, if you read here, students, find out later on that this car only has a top mileage of 15 kilometer per liter. So this amount to the breach of a condition. This car giving 20 kilometer per liter average. Okay, this is a stipulation, this is a condition. If that seller didn't follow that condition, we can breach the contract. This amounts to breach the contract because the seller made stipulation which form the essence of a contract. The condition is always considered as the essence of contract. Okay, if that condition is not fulfilled, that breach of a condition, because the seller made the stipulation which is wrong, which form the essence of the contract. So in this case, the mileage was a stipulation that was essential to main purpose of the contract. Okay, mileage was the main purpose of the contract. Hence, it is a breach of a condition. And if there is a breach of a condition, then that person has a right, the buyer has a right either to rescind the contract, to repudiate the contract, means cancel the contract, and he can claim the damages also. So that is a condition. Moving to our next slide. Then warranty. Warranty is stipulation. Warranty is also stipulation, but collateral to the main purpose of the said contract. The breach of warranty gives rise to claim for damages, but it does not give right to reject the good or treat the contract repudiated. मतलब यहाँ सिर्फ देर इज अ डिफरेंस बिटवीन कंडीशन एंड वारंटी. कौन सा डिफरेंस है कि वारंटी भी स्टिपुलेशन है और कंडीशन भी स्टिपुलेशन है. बट कंडीशन क्या है? कंडीशन इज रिलेटेड टू द मेन पर्पज ऑफ द कॉन्ट्रैक्ट. अगर कंडीशन अगर फुलफिल नहीं होती है तो पर्सन क्या कर सकता है? कैंसल कर सकता है कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एंड ही कैन क्लेम द डैमेजेस ऑल्सो. But in case of a warranty, the stipulation is not related to the main purpose of the contract. It is a collateral one. It is associated with the main purpose. Okay, but it is not main one. So the अगर breach of warranty होता है, if there is a warranty दिया रहता है किसी चीज का, अगर there is a breach of a warranty, it does not does give right to reject the goods or treat the contract as repudiated. So we can have the example: a man buys a particular car which is warranted to be quiet to drive and it is very much comfortable. It turns out that after some days, the car starts to make a very unpleasant noise every time it is operated. Also, sitting inside, it is not also very comfortable. So, so in this case, the buyer's only remedy is to claiming the damages. So this is not a breach of contracts, but rather a breach of warranty. एक सेलर ने बायर को कार के बारे में स्टिपुलेशन दिया कि ये कार बहुत कंफर्टेबल है और ये क्वाइट भी है. बट आफ्टर सम डेज बायर फाउंड दैट कि ये कार से नॉइज आता है और ये every time it makes noise at the time of operating. Also sitting inside the car is not comfortable. So in that case, uh, whatever the warranty was given, of course there is a breach of warranty, but it doesn't mean that buyer can return the car to the seller. Okay, he cannot do that. He just have a remedy. He can go to the court and claim the damages. So this is not a breach of a condition. In a breach of a condition, you can directly cancel the contract if you don't, if there is a breach of condition. But in case of a warranty, you do not have the right to cancel the contract. Okay, so identification of a stipulation एज अ कंडीशन और अ वारंटी. अभी ये स्टिपुलेशन जो है ये कंडीशन है कि वारंटी है, ये तो बायर शुड बी केयरफुल अबाउट दैट कि व्हेन ही इज बाइंग सर्टेन गुड्स, व्हेन ही इज बाइंग सर्टेन गुड्स, सो वेदर दैट that is a condition, because um, in condition you as condition is related to the main purpose of a contract, while the warranty is related to the, it is a collateral one, it is not essential one. So ये condition दी है या warranty दी है जब हम goods खरीदते हैं तो we should be careful for that. Okay, so when the stipulation is a condition or warranty is very important aspect to have knowledge about. Okay, so a stipulation in a contract of sale is either condition or a warranty depending in either case. द कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ अ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट कैसा है, ये कंडीशन दी है या वारंटी दी है, सो यू नीड टू आइडेंटिफाई दैट. So a stipulation may be made condition through though the called warranty in the contract. Okay, so you have to be careful while purchasing the products. Then um, yeah, we discussed earlier, but still there is a difference between condition and warranty. So warranty is the only collateral to main purpose of the contract, while the condition is essential element for the main purpose of the contract. So breach of warranty can't be treated as a warranty का breach भी होता है तो it cannot be treated as a breach of a condition because it is a collateral है, it is collateral to the main purpose of a contract, but condition is the main purpose of the contract. Okay, so the aggrieved party in case of a condition can cancel the contract, but in case of a warranty cannot cancel the contract, but they can claim the damages only. So it is in breach of condition, they can exempt it from performance and can also claim the damages. So in this case, the aggrieved party can rescind the contract but can claim damages only. Okay, so a breach of contract may be treated as breach of वारंटी also. कॉन्ट्रैक्ट का कंडीशन अगर ब्रीच होता है तो इट विल, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट अगर ब्रीच होता है तो इट विल बी ब्रीच ऑफ वारंटी also, it is included in a breach of condition. But in case of a warranty, breach of warranty is not included in breach of condition. I hope you understand the conditions and warranty. Thank you, students.